Thursday the 24th of February. I'm about to do my withdrawals because I'm still earning even though the markets are crashing around the world. Look at the crypto market. It's just a sea of red at the moment. And if we go over to the S&P 500, is plummeting as well. Gold has gone up in the last 5 days. Now, what people are doing is they're getting out of the stock markets, coming out of crypto, and they're moving over to gold. The gold lovers are going to say, you see, gold is the best bet when you want to protect your money. But the problem is you can't take a piece of gold to the shop and buy a loaf of bread. It's always good to have a bit of gold in your portfolio. But what I like to do is I like to have a portfolio that generates me income regardless of what's happening in the market. So today, with just one of the websites that I'm involved in just over 15 websites just like this that give me a daily income. I've got $51.93 that I can claim there. I'm going to claim that. Opens up my MetaMask for me to confirm the transaction, and I think I've got another few dollars that I can claim on this site here. So I'll just make a note of that, pop that into my calculator, and let's go and do the other withdrawal in the same website. Now, this site is giving me just under 3% daily return. So it's an absolutely fantastic way to be earning a passive income. I've also got another $8.12 to claim here. Now, this is just one of the websites that I'm using and what I teach about inside my inner circle, my VIP inner circle, to teach people how to have a passive income from home, even in times of uncertainty. There's so much uncertainty going around at the moment. You need to be able to have an income coming in just in case your day job falls. So I'll add that $8 to there as well. So just this one website is giving me $60 a day, and I times that by 7 days. This one website is giving me $419 a week. Would that help your bottom line? And if I take the $59.94 and I times that by 30 days, that's giving me an income just from this website of $1,798. Now, would that help you on a monthly basis? I've got 15 sites like this that are generating me an income every single day in, day out, week in, week out, month in, month out. So if you're serious about having a passive income and you're worried about what's going on in the news at the moment with the Ukraine and the Russia and all of the world jumping up and down of what's happening in the Ukraine, then carry on watching this video. Let me and my team teach you on how to have a real passive income where you can earn potentially thousands of dollars every single month, just like I am in real life. Inside my VIP training program, you will get access to live training. This is not video training. This is one-on-one training where you can ask questions and get the answers to all those questions. So in this training program, you'll get access to the VIP Telegram group where you can interact with me and my team and other members inside the group. You'll get training on how to set up wallets. You'll get training on centralized exchanges, on how to set up a centralized exchange, how to use a centralized exchange, how to send and receive cryptocurrency, how to exchange fiat currencies like your pounds, your dollars and your euros for cryptocurrency. Connecting your bank account to a centralized exchange so that you can get your money in and out of your bank when you start to make profits. And how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. In the live training part 2, you're going to get risk and track management. DEX setup. A DEX is a decentralized exchange. How to use a DEX. LP tokens on a DEX. Connecting your wallet to DEX, how to buy and sell crypto on DEX, and keeping your wallet safe. Then in part 3, you're going to know how to add networks to your wallets, how to add coins to your wallet, yield farming and staking. This is where you're going to build your real passive income that pays you day in and day out, week in, week out, month in, month out, year upon year. Absolutely mind-blowing what you can earn inside some of the sites that we're going to teach you on. DAOs, have you ever heard of DAOs? Decentralized Autonomous Organizations. Don't worry, we're going to show you how DAOs can change your life really. Launchpads and IDOs, how to use blockchain scanners. We're going to show you how to use a blockchain scanner. What is a blockchain scanner? Well, a blockchain is what Bitcoin runs on, Ethereum runs on, Tron runs on. They all run on different blockchains, and we're going to show you how to use those and how to identify transactions so you can keep a track of everything that's going on to do with blockchains. How to find smart contracts. What are smart contracts? You're going to be an expert in all of this stuff by the time you get to the end of our training program. How to identify real coins from scams. And then the live training part 4. Well, this training is ongoing. This is going to be ongoing all the time, keeping you up to date with all the new stuff that's coming into the marketplace. How to identify new coins with a potential of 10x, 100x, 1000x or more ROIs. Mind-blowing. Access to new DAOs that come out. Access to new yield farms and staking that comes out. How to identify new IDOs. Don't worry if you don't know what an IDO is. It's an initial DEX offering. We're going to train you on all that stuff as well. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Wanted to know about that? We're going to train you on that as well. There's a lot of money being made in the NFTs at the moment. Loan arbitrage. What is loan arbitrage? Well, you borrow some money from one site and they'll charge you, say, 9% a year, and you could take that same money, put it on another site, and earn interest of 12% a year. So you're earning money on money that's not yours. Absolutely mind-blowing. We're going to teach you that as well. Just to give you an example of a coin that I bought recently and sold the coin at $259. That's just over 700% ROI. Absolutely mind-blowing. We're going to train you how to earn 12% a year, 63% a year, 69,000% a year via yield farming and staking. So are you interested in getting access to my VIP training? If you are, give me a like and leave me a comment for info, and I'll send you some details on how you can get access to my live training. This training is like nothing else you'll find on the internet. Nobody is teaching you this stuff, and I'm going to take you step by step and show you what I'm doing and how I'm making thousands of dollars every single week doing all of this stuff. Leave me a like, give me a comment, and I'll send you some information of how you can get access to my VIP training. You have a great day. Bye now.